Okay, so I had to get the antenna to resonate, and this is all I had. I had to cut that much off to get it to resonate. At a 1.1 on channel 19, it's like 1.26 about this high. 29er Michigan. This is Tampa Bay, Florida, 727. Over.
727. This is the Alpha 29er. Jim is Juliet India Mike, and we're located up here on the shores of Lake Superior, Roger.
QSL. My QTH is Bel Air, Florida, just south of Clearwater Beach, just facing the Gulf of America. Over.
Roger on that. I used to live in Sebastian Inlet over there by Cape Kennedy, Roger.
Yeah, Roger. Yep. You're booming in here. I'm on a mobile Radioddity on a QT80, and I'm actually just doing a YouTube video demonstrating lower sideband on CB radio. Over.
Roger on that. I'm using a DX959, and I got a 6-element horizontal Mosley beam. Roger.
Yeah, Roger. I'm literally mobile in a Jeep Wrangler, and I just bought a cheap Amazon antenna. I had to trim off about 4 inches to get it to resonate, but yeah, you're sounding really full strength, full quieting here.
You're doing a fine job up here in Lake Superior. Your audio's right up there, and you're giving me a good solid 9 for a bubble.
QSL. Yeah, I'm just doing a YouTube video. It's going to be up on YouTube shortly, and I'm going to title it Lower Sideband CB Radio. So your QSO will be on the internet.
Roger on that. Okay, I'll say 73s, and have a good weekend up down there in Florida, and the Alpha 29 will be on the side, Roger.
All right, Roger. This is, I just used the area code 727 Tampa Bay. Over.
Roger on that. I got her turned all the way down. I got a little helper here, but it's not that powerful, so the elements must be pretty good.
Yeah, it sounds really good, man. Your full the propagation's really good today.
Roger on that. What was your call sign so I can put it in the book?
Well, my amateur radio call sign is Kilo 4 Echo Queen Fox. Kilo 4 Echo Queen Fox.
Roger on that. We got her. Hey, have a good day down there.
All right, QS 73. Anyhow, that was cool. I just did a video. I just trimmed that much before when I do a Q, so it was like a 3.6. So like it's temporarily in there. I got an external battery pack that I built for field day, like POTA stuff. But I love this radio because hell, it's HF. It'll do 20 meters, I think, 20, 10, and 12, and CB. And then I've got my FTM 400. But anyhow, there's my cheap Amazon antenna. Like I said, I had to shave off. I couldn't believe how much I had to shave off. But you know, that's how much I had to shave off compared to like my Jeep key, just to show you in perspective, just to get it to resonate. But now it's resonating pretty good. Supposedly this is a 10 meter and 11 meter antenna, but I think I paid like 35 bucks for it. But anyhow, that is CB lower sideband. Like I said, you know, it's just in there temporarily. I'm not sure if I want to mount it permanently, but if I do permanently mount it, it'll probably be up here. And that's it. 73.